Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. I create content around hauls, reviews, also project plans. So like a lot of makeup recommendation, and I love drugstore makeup, affordable, makeup, skincare, fashion. So if anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so if you guys are following me, I also do project pan, and because of project pan I have some makeup in empties, and I'm going to give you a 1 minute review of each, because if you will see a beauty blogger with first impression versus a beauty blogger with like product empties, you will see a difference. Okay, a product which is phenomenal on the first go will maybe after a month or so you will not like. It depends on season, weather, your skin conditions, and so much. So yeah, beauty anyone with a review after the completely finishing up a makeup product will obviously be able to give you an in-depth review. So yeah, that's what we are going to do. We are going to talk about empties of the year and also my thoughts and opinion and about these makeup products. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so my love, oh, I love this. I have used this up completely. So this is my current obsession. I already have where is my new one? So this is the new one, this is old one, and I think I will keep my toners in it because it's the spray is so good. The spray of this one is really good. I love it. So this is the plum face mist with grape seed and sea buckthorn. So it is for replenishing your makeup, for face mist, so I use it like when I apply foundation and concealer to match them, then I apply blush, bronzer, everything, powder product, then I spritz it. So I continuously keep on spritzing it till I'm happy with the way my base is looking. I have dry skin, so I prefer a very dewy, glowy sort of base, and it's a very hydrating face mist. Like not too dewy, it's like, but it is a hydrating face mist. And yeah, I spritz it 4, sometimes 3 times on my face during makeup application. So yeah, I apply a lot of face mist, you can see, and I love it. I love it for that purpose, and I will keep on repurchasing this, and I love this so good. So yeah, that's my thoughts and opinion on this. I will keep on repurchasing this. I love this. So yeah, and I'm not going to throw the bottle. I'm going to keep my some other toners on in this. Okay, next is this again. Oh my god, when I first used this one, first of all, I have lost all of my tan because of COVID and lockdown and winter situation, so you can see I was 230, but you can see a बहुत difference हो गया. I have lost all of my tan and it does not suit me right now. So yeah, so my shade was 230, and initially when I first applied, I was like, मैंने ये क्या ले लिया है, क्यों ले लिया है, and why every beauty bloggers love it. And because at that time I had zero knowledge about skin prep. मुझे लगता था मॉइस्चराइजर लगाओ, फाउंडेशन लगाओ. कुछ लोग तो वो भी नहीं करते. Okay, it was a complete disaster. Now I do a good skin prep before applying any sort of makeup. Okay, and the thing is, like, I apply a lot of face mist as well and dewy primers as well. So yeah, so this is a matte foundation for oily skin, and I have dry skin, and in winters my skin is flaky, dry and whatnot. And I tried it on my birthday and I was like, what did I do? So initially I used to hate it. Then I was like, let's just keep this in my project pan. And then that's why I love project pan now. When I kept this in my project pan, I started now I'm so much into skin prep, and after that I just fall in love with it. Now I can see why everybody likes it. It's a very medium sort of coverage, so if you want a lot of coverage, this is not for you. And on top of it, I use beauty blender, so it soaks up a lot of products. So yeah, this is for a foundation for a person who don't want that much coverage, want a matte finish which is not very dry. And yeah, overall I will repurchase, but currently I have so many foundation in my collection. I will wait to use them, then I will repurchase this one. I will purchase this one only, not the bigger bottle, because yeah, I just want to, I like tube packaging more than pump packaging. So yeah, I am more team tube than team pump. I know a lot of people like pump foundation. I love tube packaging. Okay, so yeah, I will buy the same with a lighter shade. I have to see what shade will match me now. As of now, these shades, all of my foundations are looking too dry, and yeah, I love it. I will definitely recommend you. Even if you have dry skin, you can just mix your moisturizer, you can apply a dewy hydrating base, and you are good to go. You can use this. And oily skin, this is a really good foundation for oily skin, but dry skin people also can use this. You have to just learn how to manipulate it according to your skin need. So another complexion empty is complexion product empty is this concealer. So I already have a backup. This is my favorite. So this is one of my favorite concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Really good, really good. I really love this. This is like medium coverage. It does not have that much coverage, which is perfect for me. I don't have that much dark circle, so it covers my pigmentation around my mouth, my acne scars, and yeah, my under eyes. I apply it just like a base, and I just skip my foundation. It's like a really good, and my shade was medium tawny. And yeah, I will keep on repurchasing this, maybe because I have the Mars one. My Mars one is a dupe of this one, so I will buy the Mars one. Okay, it's 399, but Mars one is 170 rupees, so I think I will buy the Mars one. But this is really good stuff, you know, affordable, good quality concealer. If you want have a lot of shade range, like have decent amount of shade range, okay, not a lot, but good in terms of Indian market. You know, India mein you want shades. we have to wait that day in India where a concealer will have 40 plus shades. We have to wait for that day. Yeah, so then okay, now we have lipstick empties. Yeah, I used up 2 lipstick because of Project Pan. And yeah, so this is the Lakme 925 in the shade Blush Nude, and you can see itna sa isme hai. Like if I you know, I am able to swatch this, so I have kept this for swatches now. You know, I can apply this if I want to show you a mauve nude. I love mauve shade, so pretty mauve nude. Thoda sa it's still there, which I can do lip swatch nude lipstick video, or I can swatch some affordable lipsticks. So yeah, it's a very pretty lipstick, and it was like from my college 2nd year 3rd year I'm using this. Finally this is finished. So yeah, it's a very good quality lipstick formulation. It has primer, and I do believe in that because this is more long lasting than other creamy matte situation. You know what I mean? It's a very creamy matte lipstick, but it is long lasting as compared to other creamy matte. That's what I want to say about this range. And yeah, now in Project Pan I have different you know, same range, different shade. Okay, and I loved this lipstick so much. It's a very pretty lipstick, and but I have a lot of mauve news, that's why I will not buy it. Okay, so next is this one. This is the Miss Clear lip cream in the shade 57. Okay, maybe I will able to swatch it. Yeah, a little bit is there. So this is a very pretty brownie pinky nude, and it's a very pretty lipstick. Okay, as you can see, barely something is left. If I will scratch, maybe I can use this like as a blush. I have used this. Yeah, the way I have used this is as a blush, and this was not in my Project Pan, honestly, you know. So yeah, I was able to use up this, you know, on its own, which is a very good like I love this Miss Clear lip creams. I have so many, and so many I have because of Nykaa gift with purchase. A lot of them are gifts by Nykaa. So yeah, I have a lot of lip creams to go through. But yeah, a very pretty lightweight creamy liquid lipstick. It's not at all drying, and it's like cream, like true to its name, very creamy moussey texture, and it's a must buy. If you have not purchased this, you can try this. I think everybody have it. In back in the days 2018 or something, everybody was recommending this, using this, and I think still these are the best, you know, comfortable liquid lipstick, non-drying liquid lipstick. Okay, and have 60-70 shades. So yeah, like really good. This range of lipstick is also one of my favorite. Okay, so I don't have the empty one with me, but this is the makeup remover second one, and this is also almost empty. So I have completely used up one of these, and this is the second, and this is the Blue Heaven oil infused micellar cleansing water with goodness of aloe argan oil. So it says it remove makeup in one swipe, which I agree. Okay, you have to just, you know, buy a micro fiber towel, and I will urge you not to use cotton. You can just buy this towel. I got this from D-Mart. Just take a little bit and just rub it, and it's really good. And I run out of this quickly, so I'm thinking about not purchasing the third bottle. I have already, in this Pink Friday sale, I purchased the Garnier by Face micellar water. So yeah, by Face micellar water, I have to say one thing, are really good, So I don't use waterproof makeup, but still I prefer by face one, because these are oil infused and these are non-drying. I don't think after applying this my face is Sahara desert dry and flaky or something. So I will only buy the by face one, which are oil infused one, and I really love them. The by face micellar water are so much better than the normal micellar water, and I think micellar water is a must buy, especially if you are a beauty blogger. You have to continuously swatch this something on your hand. I just keep this in around me all the time, and this towel also always is around me, and I can quickly swatch some makeup in on my hand. So yeah, I think it's a must buy, and if you are a regular makeup consumer, this will last a really long time, like 6 months or so. It's 125 ml, but since I continuously have to swatch something, I have to do makeup videos every day, so these products don't last that much on me. So yeah, that's that. So these were all the makeup panties, and I consider micellar water makeup product. Okay, it's because of makeup remover is because we have to remove makeup. So yeah, it's not a skincare according to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I hope you'll find this video helpful, because someone who has used up an entire bottle of makeup will be always able to give you an honest review about the product. Okay, so yeah, that's it about this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are still watching this, thanks you for watching my videos. And yeah, if you do like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.